Hello, my friends. Today, we're diving into some of the most dramatic and unexpected accidents. From terrifying highway collisions to rare mishaps on narrow streets, each story brings valuable lessons about road safety. Stay tuned so you don't miss a single detail. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. The road suddenly opens and swallows the concrete mixer, turning it into an unwilling submarine. Hard to believe. What a memorable turn. A truck flips when making a left turn. A painful lesson about speed and weight. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Oh no! A driving mistake turns the vehicle into a stunt double, flipping over with a completely unexpected ending. Who would have guessed? The moment that smashes everything, a forklift crashes straight into scaffolding, creating unimaginable destruction. Remember to check your vehicle. Oh no! A logging truck races downhill like an action movie, causing the trailer to flip over. Don't joke with brakes and load capacity. Oh my, a truck flips on I-695, paralyzing all traffic. The price of one moment of carelessness. That rude right turn without signaling almost caused a disaster. Use your blinkers and don't make others jump out of their skins. Oh my! A building under construction suddenly collapses, sending pedestrians running in panic. Be cautious when passing construction zones. An unbelievable save. The truck driver slams on the brakes and swerves into the median to avoid a motorhome blocking the road. Truly amazing. Sudden stop on the highway. That's basically inviting an accident. Keep your distance and avoid sudden stops to keep everyone safe. Oh no, a sudden left turn causes a violent collision. A costly lesson in checking thoroughly before making a turn. Cutting into the bus lane and then, bam! A double-decker bus crashes into a car in Birmingham. A little patience could have prevented this accident. What a dramatic surprise. A CBR 600 heading up Clyde Mountain loses a wheel and crashes into the lane. It's like a Hollywood action scene. Thank goodness for the seatbelt. A sudden brake causes a steel plate to slide into the cabin, but the driver walks away with only minor injuries. Don't forget, the seatbelt is your best friend. Thank goodness for the seatbelt. A sudden brake causes a steel plate to slide into the cabin, but the driver walks away with only minor injuries. Always wear your seatbelt. The delivery truck flips around the corner. Luckily, it misses the motorcycle next to it. Slow down on turns to avoid those nail-biting moments. Raising a container like this? A costly lesson in transport safety. Take it slow and steady or face a significant loss. A chilling sight. A 24-ton roll of steel almost crushes an SUV beside it. Thankfully, it was just a heart-stopping moment. A chilling sight. A 24-ton roll of steel almost crushes an SUV beside it. Thankfully, it was just a heart-stopping moment. No handbrake. The consequence, chasing after your runaway truck. An expensive lesson for a simple oops moment. The truck bursts into flames right in the middle of Queens. It's a nightmare scene no one wants. Don't forget to perform regular checks to avoid such horrifying incidents. A 20-ton steel coil struggles and falls, smashing a lamppost and causing a traffic jam. Thankfully, no one was injured, but the damage is thought-provoking. Securing cargo is never a waste. Emergency brake and the steel coil fall. Luckily, the road was empty, so no significant incidents occurred. But don't rely on luck as your safety plan. A sinkhole devours a school bus. Who wouldn't hold their breath? Thankfully, no one was injured, but stay extra cautious on the road. Sometimes not making a decision is the worst decision. Don't let indecision lead you into tragedy. Slippery roads? Slow down, maintain a safe distance, and ensure your tires are weather ready. Don't let wet roads steer you off safety. Oh my, we are just moments away from disaster. A truly heart-stopping moment. Oh no, distance is your lifeline on the road. Don't let a short distance turn into a long-lasting accident. The car falls off I-30 and bursts into flames. A haunting scene. Luckily, it didn't crash into another car. A costly lesson in controlling your vehicle. Two truck drivers meet in a way no one would want on I-35E. The mess can be cleaned up, but no lives were lost. This driver is genuinely a legend of bad driving. Maybe returning to driving school is in order before hitting the streets again. The Ram almost caused disaster just by changing lanes without checking. Honking, windows down, and still ignoring it. Reckless. This isn't Fast and Furious, but these two drivers turned a freeway into a battlefield. Both deserve hefty fines for this dangerous stunt. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the most impressive moment. Share your thoughts in the comments below if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more exciting content. See you in the following video.